अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम टू द सेकेंड बुक ऑफ मैथ्स फॉर नर्सरी। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अभी तक कितनी नई नई चीज़ें सीख चुके हैं हम। जी, हमने सीखे हैं डिफरेंट कंपैरिजन्स, हमने सीखे हैं नंबर नेम्स, हमने सीखे हैं विच नंबर इज़ बिगर एंड विच वन इज़ स्मॉलर। एंड जो बात हम बहुत डिटेल में पढ़ रहे हैं वो है टेंस एंड यूनिट्स। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है, क्योंकि ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपके साथ चलना है थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ। वो कैसे? क्योंकि जब भी आप आगे जाके कोई भी एडिशन करेंगे या सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे या कोई भी और कॉन्सेप्ट, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी करेंगे, डिवीजन भी करेंगे, उन सब में ये कॉन्सेप्ट टेंस और यूनिट्स का बहुत हेल्पफुल है, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको मदद देगा और आपको चीज़ों को, नंबर्स को अंडरस्टैंड करने में मदद देगा। ओके, तो इन द लास्ट लेसन we have done the two numbers 23 and 24. What comes next? Can anybody tell me? Gee, so the two numbers which is under discussion today is 25 and 26. Okay, how many tens and how many units are going to make 25? Let's see that. Here is the number 25. So can you tell me how many tens are there? Yes, there are 2 tens. And how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 tens and 5 units are going to make 26. G. And what comes after 25? After 25, it will come 26. Yes. And how many units or tens are there? G. 2 tens and 6 units are going to make 26. So let's count together. 2 tens, 10 and 20. Then how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. जी, तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये है हमारे आज के 2 नंबर्स। अब हम देखते हैं अपनी बुक का पेज। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये है हमारी बुक का पेज। What you can see on this page? Oh my God, interesting animals are here. Okay, so the first number is 25, and here it is telling that 2 tens and 5 units are going to make 25. So here you can see 2 blocks of 10 and 5 blocks of units are going to make 25. Gee. So what is the next step, my dear kids? In the next step, you are going to count and write. And what is there to count? Gee, there are some ducks. Let's see how many ducks are there. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Yes, my dear kids, there are 25 ducks. So here in this box you are going to write 25. What is the next number? Yes, it's 26. So here it is written 2 tens and 6 units are going to make 26. So here are number odds. So 2 groups of 10 and 6 units are going to make 26. In every lesson, my dear kids, I am telling you the tens and units in detail, so you have to keep that in mind. Here again you have to count and write. And what is the next thing which you are supposed to count? There are some fish, right? Let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So how many fish are there? There are 26 fish. And what you are going to write in this box? Very right. You are going to write 26. So the point for teachers here is guide the students to trace and write the numbers 25 and 26 with their correct formation. So emphasis on their correct formation. Okay. Use pictures or drawings to represent the numbers 25 and 26. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का लेसन जिसमें हमने सीखे नेक्स्ट टू नंबर्स 25 एंड 26. 2 tens and 5 units makes 25. 2 tens and 6 units can make 26. ओके, सो हम दोबारा मिलेंगे 2 नए नंबर्स के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.